Okay, we are underway here in East Flatbush, Brooklyn, New York. It started snowing around 1 o'clock, around just after 1, about 1:15. And this is the current situation. It's not too bad, it's very fine, powdery type snow. And it's weird because the temperature right now is 34 degrees. And I'm surprised it's snowing, but if it keeps at this temperature, I don't think it's going to mix or anything like that, but we'll have to see. Watching the radar, it looks like the rain-snow line is slowly kind of like tracking inwards from the Jersey coast. But right now, it's all snow. It's looking pretty good. Hopefully, I don't have to work in the morning. But yeah, this is up my street. This is looking about northwest, I want to say. And that's whatever the other direction is. I'm bad with that. So, anyways, this is about an hour's worth of snow from about 1 to now. I'll check back in another hour and show you guys what's going on. This is from Brooklyn, New York. Apparently, we might get between 12, actually, more like, I'd say about 10 to 12 inches because we're so close to that line where there might be some mixing. But I work in Manhattan and they're supposed to get much more snow. And so we'll see. But try not to make this too long. I'll do updates every hour if I can. And yeah, everybody stay safe and enjoy the snow.